Hi, welcome to Army of Harpists. This is this Getting Started tutorial number 1, purchasing your Harpsicle Harp. So first you want to go to a trusted website. I have used Guitar Center at least 5 times, and they often have coupons for up to 20% off with major holidays, and they always have free shipping. You could also use Musician's Friend or the like. I noticed they usually have a 15% off coupon. And if you go to Amazon, I find that they're normally the most expensive. So these are just a few trusted sites that you can use. All right, so here's just an example of guitarcenter.com where I use. The next step is to type in Rees Harpsicle Harp. So this is an example of that. Harpsicle Rees Harps or Rees Harpsicle Harp, and you're going to get to this first one. That is the harpsicle you want. The third step is to click that harp. If you click the harp, there is one currently right now. The open box is $462, or there's a brand new one for $525. These keep going up because they are becoming a higher demand. Choose the color that you want: black, white, blue, purple, red, green, yellow, natural, or pink. And then you're going to add it to your cart. Add it to your cart once you fix the color you want. And the next step is going to be proceeding to checkout. Once you do that, they're going to ask you for step 4 to add on additional pro coverage for an extra cost. I always choose no thanks, but you need to decide for yourself. I have dropped these harps at least twice, and there's no deleterious effects besides some scratching. So these are pretty well-made harps. So here you can see is the screenshot for pro coverage. Next, you want to choose your accessories. There's 3 choices: a bar stick, a harp stand, and a guitar strap. Let me explain. The bar stick screws into the back of the harp, and it sits on your knees for when you sit playing seated down. The second is the harpsicle stand, which I have. You screw this into the back of the harp and it can stand upright. You can play it sitting down or just have it standing in the corner. The third is a guitar strap, which you can connect onto your harpsicle harp. You want to notice that you want these leather straps with the grommet settings. So they're leather additions. For guitar, you have 2 options. One is like a tie strap and one is this option. Please choose this option because this will fit your harpsicle harp and is much cheaper than Rees Harp sells on their website. Okay, step 6 is to check out. Check out any promo codes that they have. Usually Guitar Center has it flashing on their website when you first go there. They also have a price match guarantee, which you have an option to do, and then make sure you choose free shipping. They usually arrive between 5 and 7 days. And that is it. That is getting started on how to purchase your harpsicle harp.